The new reality we found ourselves walking into is nature's way to protest against our habits and behavior, and maybe even defend itself from us. Nature found a way to shut us down, to shut the whole world down. But this coronavirus will pass like all the other viruses. And then what? We are going through a global crisis, and we need to think how things are going to be rebuilt after the storm. Will we go back to normal? Will we ignore the calling of nature? Nature gave us a sign, a huge sign this time. Nature needs a minute to breathe, to heal itself from the continuous damage we're causing it. We have two choices. One, we go back to normal and pretend like nothing never happened and continue with our destructive habits and react to what nature has thrown at us and pray that we'll be able to defend ourselves. Or we can learn our lesson and change. Learn to respect nature and live beside it. Let nature breathe as well as ourselves. We want to learn and be prepared for the future. Isn't that what school is all about? We protested. Now it is time to get ready for the change. How do we get ready? By learning the subject that is going to help us deliver the change.
Sustainability courses, so we can learn how to reduce our emissions and our footprint on this earth. We need to learn how to maintain balance with nature and keep the air clean, the land productive and healthy, and the water fresh enough for everyone. Marine courses, so everyone will understand how critical is the health of our ocean to our survival. We will learn how to restore and protect our oceans and the amazing ecosystems in them. And digital media courses, so we can learn how to promote our ideas and make a real difference.
We, high school students, are the world's future leaders.
If we want to live in a healthy environment, it is up to us to change. There is no time to waste.